Okay, let's look at factoring 3z squared plus 11z minus 4. I'm going to try and do the guess and check way first, where anything that's prime is pretty easy to factor, right? Because there's no other two numbers that are going to multiply to get 3. Now I have to figure out how am I going to get this in the middle by multiplying, going through this whole FOIL business. And my eye kind of says, I bet if 4 times 3 is 12, and then what's the other factor to get 4 would be 1. And I bet this is going to work. I don't know. This is my guess and check. The 3 times 4 is going to give me 12, so the larger value has to be positive, and then the smaller value, the minus. And once again, you could FOIL this, right? You could do, that's 3z squared, that's plus 12z, minus 1z, minus 4, 3z squared plus 11z, and it worked. That's why it's called guess and check, because I guess, and then it worked out fine. So now I can set these factors equal to 0, because I actually wanted to solve this, or z plus 4 equals 0. So this is going to be 3z equals 1. Looks like 1/3 is going to be one of my answers, and looks like -4. Now, as I mentioned in another video, if you don't like this guess and check, it makes you a little nervous, the AC method says multiply the A, remember that's the first term, and the C, which in this case would be 3 times -4 to get -12. And then what you're going to do is you're going to list all the factors of -12. I don't know, how about 1 and -12, -1, 12. I mean, I could keep doing this, but what you're looking for is when you add these, you're going to get this middle term B. And I think I can stop doing that. This one was kind of nice because I already got it here. So remember what you do, 3z squared plus 11z minus 4 with the AC method. Let me grab my values here that I'm going to do. You separate these, and I see the 12 is a multiple of 3, so I think it would be nice to put that first, and then minus 1z minus 4. And now you're going to do the by grouping, so I could factor out a 3z, and that would leave me with a z plus 4. Oops, I don't know why I put an equal sign there. And then here I actually could factor out a -1, because I'm trying to ensure that these are going to be the same, right, with my factoring. And so I get my z plus 4 and my leftover 3z minus 1. Well, look at there. Same thing. So I get my z equals -4, my 3z equals 1/3, and I get my same answer.